Hi there, welcome to NZ Electronics Repair. So we received this iPhone 14 today and you can see the condition, how badly cracked it is. Like the screen is completely gone and the back glass is also broken completely. Look at this. But we can replace all the parts that are faulty and make it look like a brand new one in just like a couple of hours. So if you're looking for repairing your iPhone, no matter how badly damaged or cracked it is, you can always ring up us at 0800 585 222 to get a free quote, or you can visit any of our Auckland locations. We are based in Milford, Botany, Silverdale and Epsom.